things I do on rainy barn days, with no outside riding nature. First, I get the dogs and horses in the barn. There is about to be a bad storm, so I gotta make sure they are okay. So cute. Then I get the jumps people had used and put them in the barn so they don't get rusted. There's some people still jumping, so I'll get them in a minute when it starts to rain. Then I make sure all my horses are nice and safe, and of course I will take off the tack when I'm finished cleaning the stalls. Then I do some needed tasks around the barn, like cleaning the saddles, feeding the cats, fish, and dogs, and putting tack up. And lastly, I check up with people in the barn, making sure they don't need help with the stalls. And that's how I take care of the barn on bad, stormy, rainy days.